earlier tonight. My name is Gene Kesselman. I'm the co-founder of the FIND. I'll be moderating tonight's Mission Forum panel, which features this fine group of gentlemen to my right who will introduce themselves shortly. First, though, a quick explanation of what a Mission Forum is. We created Mission Forums to expose the community to the challenges and realities of the mission. And when we say mission, we're talking about all of the mission areas that exist across the national security enterprise. Mission forums are about educating FIND members, providing opportunities to hear new perspectives, and getting rare insight from the folks executing or supporting the missions and operationally using the technologies that your industries are developing today. The panelists are always working level operators, analysts, and technical experts from communities that are difficult to reach or aren't always forthcoming by design. Typically, mission forums are done around a specific paradigm, like GEOINT or SOF, or they're based upon a specific topic, like cloud computing. But today, we're going to do a broad spectrum mission forum to showcase the breadth of the FIND network across operations.
My name is Evan. I actually worked pretty well with Brian in the past, where he was doing human-enabled stuff. I was doing network-enabled cyber operations. I came out of college recruited by the National Security Agency, where I worked in the Tailored Access Office as a network operator. Since then, I've moved on to private industry, where I work for a small boutique software development firm.
Good evening, everyone. My name is George. I was a counterintelligence agent in the Army for about 10 years. After doing tactical HUMINT.
All right, great, thank you guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into the questions. A primary focus of FIND mission forums is to provide insight into innovation from the mission perspective. So in your experience, have you been in any positions where you felt that you've had access to real innovation? If so, can you tell us about it? And if not, tell us why you think places you've worked have lacked real innovations. Evan, can you start this one?
Yeah, sure. I was very, very fortunate in my government experience.
So I've worked in the area of innovation for the past 6 or so years, where I don't have to look at my notes here. I've really thrived off of processing unique data types and non-traditional data types. Has really been on my area of expertise. And I've really liked showing the value of these data types to both the warfighter and
changing topics, the insider threat has come front and center in the public discussion and focuses on people in positions that, like you've had in your careers. Some think these breaches are inevitable, some think they're preventable. What do you think? Brian, can you start that off?
Sure. All right, I'm going to be the agent provocateur here. It is my personal opinion and observation that the latest breaches, Mr. Snowden and Mr. Was it Bradley Manning? They are of the younger generation.
I think that the rapid development capabilities within the mobile realm are there, but you're also fighting a very quick evolving timeline. So the more adaptable that a capability could be on a mobile computing device, if it is platform agnostic, if it's OS agnostic, things like that, to where you're not reinvesting every 6 months on a capability that's going to have to change, either updates or issues that person in the field.
I think from the mobility in terms of the tactical user, my biggest concern is baseband vulnerabilities. It seems like baseband is constantly overlooked, and there isn't as much hardening on that side of it as there is in the actual true OS.
Topics, but for today, I think you all get an idea of the flavor of what these are all about. I would like to thank you for coming today.